Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review Quindis Outdoor Solar Fence Light. Quindis Solar Wall Lights is completely powered by sunlight. The solar panel absorbs the sunlight and converts it to energy, then saves it to 600 mAh battery. Solar deck lights are generally safe. Since there is no external wiring, you don't need to purchase additional cords, plugs or outlets. You don't have to worry about the power trips or safety hazards. To protect the light, there is a ABS lampshade covering the LED and high quality polysilicon solar panel with IP65 waterproof performance, which allows the solar street light both water and heat resistant, withstanding rain, snow, thunderstorm and frost. The wall mount decorative lights add a welcoming glow to your garden with this set of 4 solar lamp post lights from Quindis. By installing these lights, you will take comfort in knowing that you will always have a garden that's well lit in the evening. Powered by natural daylight, each outdoor solar light turns on automatically as soon as it gets dark. Emits 22 lumens of brightness. Fix them to your garden fence for a beautiful decorative effect. Do you need a few lights to illuminate the way to home? Do you need some lights to bring a soft and elegant atmosphere to the garden and swimming pool area? Please choose Quindis Solar Wall Lights, energy-saving, bright lights powered by solar lights. Quindis is committed to providing the consumer with the absolute best value on the entire line of products. So do check it out. The next product is a shower squeegee. It is designed to work in and out of the bathroom. This squeegee shower works just as well for windows and car doors. Enjoy the resistance-free swiping anywhere for almost all your smooth surfaces. The glass shower squeegee can wipe water drops off any flat smooth surfaces quickly and easily. It is perfect for bathroom wall, soapy shower doors, tile surfaces, fogged mirrors and smooth car windows. The squeegee shower with non-slip ergonomic handle design provides a comfortable and easy grip for better handling. This bathroom squeegee comes with a super strong sticky hook to hold the swipe squeegees. It is easy to install without drilling or other tools, so it do not damage your wall. The soft silicone blade squeegee reduces squeaking and ensures streak-free cleaning. This non-slip window glass squeegees also comes with an replacement silicone blade. One of the best tools to keep in your bathroom is a shower squeegee, which helps clean glass surfaces such as the mirror or shower door. Not only do shower squeegees improve the look of your bathroom, but also make it easier to get ready in the morning. The shower squeegee is one of the most low maintenance cleaning tools you will ever come across. Thank you for watching the video.